epho yakithi kwamalandela usodida sinkonyane encane yandaba ethi imbala umfikelelo wesiswa ngoba befikelela amadoda kaZulu esefelelwe ngamandla umaphokophelo bengayisiswa.
Sanibonani, Mthala TV sivakashele esigodlweni seNgonyama eMashobeni.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Are you looking forward to the meeting?
I'm looking very forward to it. It's wonderful to be here.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to meeting you. We're just here to pay our respects, to tell him that a DA national government will absolutely respect and uphold the tradition of traditional leadership and royal leadership in our country, that we honor the role that he plays as king of the Zulu nation, and to say that the best thing that we can do to honor the Zulu nation is to build a government that works for the people of the Zulu nation and for all South Africans.
Abebeyigeza beyibhekisekithi lapha kwaZulu namhlanje lokho abanini impozamo basamangele kumangela umanqonto engwakashiya abanye kwakwamangela uphaphatho kaNkisimane isizimbe esimavivane ebeyadingana hlangana amakhosi wena wendlovu Majesty the King and Your Royal Highnesses, members of the royal family, I want to thank you so much, Your Majesty, for your very gracious and generous reception of our delegation here today.
On behalf of the royal family, on behalf of the whole Zulu nation, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Program Director, Ndunankulu kaZulu, President of the DA. What a wonderful historic day, which we know historically, even during the times of the late King, you know, before I sat on the throne, the DA for this very purpose has always come to the royal family and to the King to say, here's our new leadership, Your Majesty, and the royal family, and to also mention that we are here to work with and for the King and for the people of the King, to support and to do service deliver with the support of the King. And today is one of those meetings where history again is repeating itself, where I thank very much the leadership of the DA. We have seen the new leadership, how in the DA, you know, they are a truly democratic party. I saw Mr. Msimang every step. Please, people, give him a round of applause. You know, I think he'll be very good for Gauteng. I don't want to go into politics. Just now, you think, oh, the King is supporting the DA, what. No, I support everyone. As long as, you know, my people get their service delivered. And I know this is a difficult time for the country and for everyone. People are worried, people are confused. But I would like to ask, you know, especially because now the DA is here, that even in the DA leadership, let us ask for calm so that we are able to campaign properly. We are going to elections. We need peace and stability in the country, and that we support our president in everything that he does. And thank you so much to the whole DA leadership, and I like the new faces that I see. It gives me more confidence because I'm a young king. But we still need that wisdom of elder people, of which I think South Africans, we are very blessed and lucky. My Prime Minister is also, we are youth, but we need that support from our elders. And I would like to say the Zulu nation, let us work together for the stability and for the sake of this country, because we don't have any other South Africa. This is the only one. So let's work with what God has blessed us with. I promise you, everything will be okay. Have trust in the leadership that is in the country. Especially we have kings like myself. Please have trust in the Zulu King. And on behalf of the royal family and everyone, my Prime Minister, thank you so much. The Queen of here, Emashobeni, that the meeting was held here on behalf of this community. Thank you so much. The DA can start their campaign.
Your Majesty, I just want to present this humble gift to you as a token of our respect and appreciation for His Majesty, for the Royal Kingdom, for the Zulu Nation, and as a symbol that respect will only deepen and grow over the years ahead. And even when the DA is the leading party in South Africa, that respect will continue and will only grow, Your Majesty. So please accept this gift as a token of our respect and admiration and thanks for your generosity. Thank you very much. Thank you.
We are so grateful to receive such a wonderful present from you, which is showing a love.
The DA deeply respects the Royal House and the Zulu Nation, and that even when we are the largest party in South Africa, we will continue that relationship of respect and honor. We understand that this is a deeply significant cultural institution that means a great deal to many millions of South Africans. And we conveyed to His Majesty that the best way to honor that the Zulu Nation and all of her people is to build a government that works for everyone, that delivers services, that delivers safety, that delivers work opportunities and a growing economy. We then also discussed the upcoming election and informed His Majesty that we will be campaigning heavily across the kingdom and across the province of KwaZulu Natal, and that if there are any issues that they can reach out to us, to Mr. Ngema as our provincial leader, or to myself or Solly, and that we will be here, that we will be in every town and village. So that was the main purpose of our visit. We then also heard the thoughts of His Majesty. We discussed some matters relating to Ngonyama and other things as well, but that was the main issues.
I think the most important thing is that we had to engage the king, so that we don't believe that we should just campaign in the area that is under Amakhosi and Izinduna without getting blessings from Amakhosi. And we did exactly that, and now it says the job, this is the beginning of the work. And that, as Jordan has illustrated, that we are going to see all our activists campaigning across the province of KwaZulu Natal, gunning for votes, and also explaining our manifesto across the people of KwaZulu Natal, and we will be delivering the message of hope.